So, hello everyone. Good morning. Good morning. Today is Monday, November 18. Yes, so my birthday is coming. So, well, right now is I'm doing my accessories, pearl. Yeah, I made it. This is an earrings and bracelet, and I have a necklace. A very simple pearl accessories for my gown. Yes, 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 yes. So, you know what? I'm so kilig. I'm so happy that, I'm really proud of myself. Charot. Nakaka-proud talaga siya. As in, sabi ko, hala, kaya ko pala siyang gawin. Kaya ko palang gumawa. Well, kailangan mo lang talaga ng mahabang pasensya kasi ay, nako, basta mahabang pasensya. So, ito yung start ng week ko kasi nga, nag-a-upload na ako sa YouTube ko ng a week of my life. Ano ba yun? Basta yun na yun siya. So, ito yung start. Yes, there's a camera. O, diba? Kasi si Oscar naman ay hindi nakapag-school today kasi nga pinagpahinga. Kasi nga for 3 days, nagkasakit siya. Oh my God, oh my God, oh my God, my God. But thanks God, he's okay right now. So, he just only need 1 day, rest. And yeah, and that's all. See all of my things. Yeah. So, pag gusto mo talaga ay kaya. Ayan. So, you can do this. Diba? Okay, bye everyone. See you tomorrow. Or ano yung update ng life natin for a week. O ano yung mga ginagawa natin. So, yeah, this is the highlights of my day today. So, bye everyone. See you tomorrow. Okay, there you are, guys. This is what I made. Yayatasing lang. Yayatasing lang sa kala mo, diba? Okay, hello. Me and Oscar will building the Lego. This is we finished to build this one. Oh, this one. It's a robot. No, it's a Transformers Bumblebee. Yeah, this is Bumblebee.
Can you do your entire script monologue later? I'm gonna go insane.
Go, Oscar. You can do it. This time is I will not really the one.
I thought you were the guy that helps me find the materials.
Yes, but I don't know what materials. What kind of job I have.
Okay. Just
my job is.
You know what? Just rest there and take your video.
Yeah, I will. Okay, go, Oscar. This is what. Okay, go. I don't know if, but I know he knows what he's doing. Of course. But, okay. Bye. So, hi. Hello, everyone. Today is Tuesday, November 19. So, may gagawin tayo. Gagawa ako ng munchkins, yes, biscuits, and I have a panda, condensed, and then, desiccated coconut. So, ayan. So, prepare lang ako para dalhin ko to mamaya. Yes, dalhin ko to mamaya para pakain sa mga kaibigan ko. Kasi kahapon, hindi nga kami nag-school ni Oscar kasi pinahinga ko siya. So, ngayon, I have a chance na gagawin to. So, ayan. This is my day. O, diba? So, prepare lang muna ako. Bye, everyone. ayan. Magja-jumping rope na naman po tayo kasi it's been, I think, ilang weeks na hindi tayo nakapag-jumping rope. Jumping rope. Yes, it's been a week. I know, it's not a week, I think. Yeah, it's week. It's week, ba? I don't know. So, let's do jumping rope this time, guys. Because it's been a long time that we didn't do a jump rope. I think I will do one lang. I'm gonna do maybe 1,000 jump rope. Yeah. Actually, no need for me to count. Yeah, no need for me to count with this. Because I have my watch to count for me. Ouch! Ouch! I need to... Kailangan kong ipangko yung hair ko kasi nga it's so sabal-sabal. So, yes. So, there we are. Okay. Bye. Oh my God. I'm done, guys. 1,600. Okay. 1,613 total strokes of jump rope. And then, calories, 154. Oh my God. I'm so tired, guys. I'm so tired. And then, you know what? My heart rate is 151. Oh my God. So, I'm done. Yes, for today. And tomorrow, rest. Yes, and then maybe next day, I'm gonna do it again. So, bye. So, magpa-practice muna kami. Okay. So, 3, that part, 1, 2, 3, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, then 5, 6, 7, 8, then 1, 2, 3, 4, then 5, 6, 7, 8, then 1, 2, 3, 4. Ah, okay. Pagkain, wait lang. Okay, balik na. 1, 2, 3, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, dito na sa akin. Tani-ni-nani. Sige na. Sige na. Ganyan to. Tanchi-nani. 1, 2, no to. Ano this? 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then 1, 2, 3, 4. Ah, okay. 6. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2.
Ano yung siwahan? 1, 2.
Hi! Masayaw kasi kami. May pagkain.
Hindi, nag-video ka?
Oo, na-video ko. Sige, 1, 2, 3, balik. 1, 2, 3, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then 1, 2, 3, 4. Then okay, sige na, sige na. Pagdali na. Sige, 1, 2, 2, 3, 4. Then 1, 2, 3, 4. Then 1, 2, 3, 4. Hindi kasi ako dancer. O, ito ka dancer. Kasi sige na. Tapos 1. Ang awkward. Awkward? Ha? Ha? Good. Sige na. 1. 2, then 1, 2. Okay.
Ito diri ha?
Adre ka? Put
5, 6,
7, 8,
1, 2, chiki-chiki.
Oh. Baba-baba dito go. Chiki-chiki din. Chiki-chiki din. Good day.